Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. AWS Transform adds agentic AI assistant to the AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio. AWS Transform has added an agentic AI assistant to its AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio, enabling NET developers to modernize applications through a conversational, step-by-step guided experience within their IDE. The assistant provides real-time code analysis, transformation planning, and execution, allowing developers to work in their preferred environment with fine-grained control over the process. Get a Visual Studio Pro lifetime license on sale for $35, regularly $499.99. Microsoft Visual Studio Pro 2026 is a comprehensive coding environment for building, testing, and debugging software projects. A lifetime license to the tool is currently available for $34.97, a significant discount from its regular price of $499.99. The platform offers features such as IntelliCode, AI-assisted suggestions, and support for various programming languages and platforms. NET 11 Preview 4 is now available. NET 11 Preview 4 is now available, featuring improvements across the NET Runtime, SDK, libraries, ASP.NET Core, NET MAUI, C#, Entity Framework Core, and more. The release includes updates to libraries, runtime, SDK, and additional frameworks. To get started with NET 11, install the NET 11 SDK or use Visual Studio Code with the C#dev kit extension. When you upgrade your resource strings to Unicode, don't forget to specify the L prefix. When upgrading resource strings to Unicode, it is essential to specify the L prefix to avoid misinterpretation of escape sequences. Failing to do so can result in incorrect character representations, as demonstrated by a colleague's experience with explicit Unicode escapes X#. The correct approach includes adding the L prefix, ensuring accurate display of non-ASCII characters. Visual Studio 2026 still ships the form designer Alan Cooper drew in 1987. Visual Studio 2026 still includes the form designer developed by Alan Cooper in 1987, which has remained the path of least resistance for building line-of-business apps. This design architecture, coined Cooper and Geary, has been successfully ported forward to modern .NET, with WinForms code remaining productive on the platform. Get 15 coding courses, plus Microsoft Visual Studio Pro 2026, for just $59.99. Microsoft Visual Studio Professional 2026 and 15 coding courses covering Python, JavaScript, Java, SQL, and more are available for $59.99, a significant discount from the regular price of $1,999.99. The bundle includes courses on various programming languages, AI fundamentals, and Salesforce platform development, with lifetime access to all courses. From AI to NET, 20V's Live, Las Vegas sessions you can watch now. Microsoft has published 20V's Live, Las Vegas sessions on its Visual Studio YouTube channel, covering topics such as AI-assisted development, modern NET, cloud-native apps, and developer productivity. The sessions feature Microsoft engineers and industry experts discussing real-world applications and solutions. A mix of practical guidance, technical depth, and forward-looking keynotes are included in the lineup. Best of Week 19 2026, Systems Built to Hold. Here is a concise and professional news summary. Abjuzito's Best of Week 19 2026 highlights innovative design projects that prioritize system-based creativity. Notable examples include D-Form's visual identity for the Budapest Festival Orchestra, which uses generative patterns to encode the audience's relationship with the ensemble, and QUENTO display typeface, a Didon-inspired font that earns its place among other revival designs. Headless 360, Salesforce's latest pitch to let AI do the dev work. Salesforce introduced Headless 360 at its TDX event in San Francisco, allowing anyone on the platform to build applications using APIs, model context protocols, or command line interfaces. This move enables agentic AI development tools to target the Salesforce platform, expanding access beyond traditional developers. New Android development tool designed for robots, not humans. Google has launched an Android command line interface, CLI, designed specifically for AI agents, resulting in a 70% reduction in token usage and threefold decrease in task completion time. The CLI allows agents to build and test Android applications outside of the primary Android development environment, Android Studio, while also providing a code editor alternative for developers. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.